I used only candlelight for 7 nights. My sleep became deep and heavy. I didn't know a single flame could change the entire feeling of my nights. 7 days, 7 nights, one rule. No artificial lights, only candlelight. And I didn't expect what happened to my mind, my body, or my sleep. Before we dive into this journey, make sure you subscribe. Soft Nights is becoming something bigger, a calm escape, a real experiment, a place for your mind to breathe. Your support helps keep this series alive. Night 1 felt unreal. When the sun went down and I lit the candle, the room transformed instantly. The shadows moved differently. The air felt thicker. And the silence felt ancient. It was like stepping into a world without electricity, without noise, without the rush of modern life. But something strange happened within minutes. My entire nervous system slowed down. My shoulders dropped. My breathing softened. It felt like the flame was calming me in ways I didn't expect. Night 2 revealed something deeper. When I turned off all lights and let a single flame guide my night routine, my brain stopped searching for stimulation. It stopped asking for brightness. It stopped chasing alerts or messages. Candlelight doesn't scream. It whispers. And my mind listened. By night 3, I noticed something powerful. My thoughts felt heavier, but in a peaceful way. Not overwhelming. Not chaotic. Just grounded. It felt like the flame was anchoring me to the present moment. I wasn't thinking about tomorrow. I wasn't thinking about yesterday. I was just there, breathing, watching the flame move slowly, like it was syncing with my heartbeat. Halfway through the week, Night 4 changed the atmosphere of my entire home. Candlelight made the room warm, soft, almost sacred. There was no harsh ceiling light. No buzzing LEDs. Just warmth. Just glow. Just a calm golden stillness that made my mind melt into silence. If you've ever felt mentally loud, candlelight will show you what true quiet feels like. On night 5, something magical happened. Sleep didn't feel forced. Sleep didn't feel like something I had to chase. Sleep came toward me, naturally. Warmly. Gently. I felt my eyelids getting heavier earlier than usual, and when I lay down, my mind didn't fight it. It surrendered. Night 6 felt like entering a ritual older than time. Humans lived with fire for thousands of years before electricity was even imagined. And in that moment, I understood why. Candlelight doesn't push your brain into alert mode. It guides it into rest mode. My thoughts weren't racing, my body wasn't tense, and the blue light that usually hijacks my brain was gone. Completely gone. And then, night 7. The night everything came together. When I turned off every artificial light and watched that single flame dance, I felt something I hadn't felt in a long time, a deep, heavy calm. A natural sedation. A quiet that wasn't empty, but comforting. And when I finally closed my eyes, I fell into one of the deepest sleeps of my life. Not light sleep. Not restless sleep. But deep, heavy, restorative sleep. The kind that feels like your soul sinks into the mattress, and rises clean in the morning. When I woke up, I felt slow in the best way. Clear. Warm. Balanced. Like my brain had finally exhaled after years of holding tension. If you want more nights like this, hit subscribe and stay with me. Soft Nights is just getting started. And if you're brave enough to try the candle-only rule for one night, just one, tell me what you feel. Maybe your mind will quiet down the same way mine did. Or maybe, you'll discover a part of yourself you haven't heard in a long time. Thank you for being here. See you in EP05 of Soft Nights. Sleep gently tonight. Crescent moon sparkles.